What's your favorite arcade game? Let's get into it. I'm Sarah. This is MathedUp on the road. We're here at Marvin's Marvelous Mechanical Museum. I love these because these are called like automatons, which is sort of like where you have all of these gears in there and they're just turning and they'll make the whole thing move. So like this one, I like that they leave it open here that you can see all the gears too. He's levitating. How does he do it? Nope, I don't like those eyes. I do not like those eyes. Nope. Excellent fun. Lots of stem in there and a rubber chicken. The game that we ended up winning the most tickets on, the rotating where it's like jackpot or 50, jackpot or 50. And so there's a thing called geometric probability, which is where you're talking about like how frequently the things are spaced out. And so when we look at the side, like that's the most likely to hit a jackpot. Not going to say it's guaranteed, but it's probably the best odds. I don't know for sure because I haven't done a calculation, but
How much did we spend in quarters?
$20.
$30?
Maybe 25. Maybe 25 because we dipped into the parking meter change. Hope we don't have to park anywhere soon.
Is that chicken worth $25?
I mean, would I pay $25 for this in the store? No, but the memories that we made are priceless.